Hello, this is Norm. Thank you for checking out this video. This message is for those sales professionals that are looking to take their sales to the next level. In this 6-part, 60-minute virtual training course, sales professionals will be given solutions to overcome the challenges that they're currently facing during these constantly changing times. I will help you develop a consistent positive mindset and avoid the roller coasters of the ups and downs that could be impacting your overall results. You will learn to really focus in on having successful sales calls and proven strategies to increase your success and grow your business. Best of all, I'm going to do this and show you how you can do all of this and enjoy it at the same time. As a professional salesperson, there's always pressure to bring in new business. And if you're not, let's face it, that's an incredibly stressful place to be. In these virtual training sessions, you will learn how to turn more cold calls into warm calls and how to connect with the right people, the decision makers. You will learn how to engage people right away, create and start meaningful conversations that will cultivate great, trusting, win-win relationships. The result will be that you'll knock your sales forecast out of the park. You will learn how to create compelling presentations that will have your prospects and your customers eager to get started. You'll learn strategies that will continue to separate you, your product, and the value that you bring over your competition. Everyone will benefit: you, your customers, and your company. If you're having a tough time and continually struggling and just pushing through every day, or if you're doing well but really looking at sharpening your skills and want to keep your competitive edge, then join me on this virtual training series. Register today. Don't miss this opportunity. I will make you a special offer just to give you peace of mind. If you sign up for the 60-minute series and you complete the first 3 sessions only and you're not completely satisfied, I will give you a full refund for the full cost of the entire course. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. I'm looking forward to seeing you and being part of your team and working with you to make this your best year ever. Thank you for joining me today.